Very good morning, children. In today's session, we are going to start with new chapter file handling. File handling, it is one of the very important concept that you have to learn while learning any computer language. So in this chapter, we are going to understand these are all the concepts. So under file handling, we are going to understand what do you mean by file handling. We are going to understand the data files, opening and closing of files, reading and writing files, standard input, output, and error streams. So these are all the topics that we are going to understand in file handling. Before we get into any particular topic, let us have the introduction about file handling. So what do you mean by file? First, let us go through what is the explanation given here. File. A file is a bunch of bytes stored on some storage device like hard disk, thumb drive, etc. It is a bunch of bytes stored on some storage device. A file is some information or data which stays in the computer storage device. Again, so it is the information stored in the computer storage device. Files help in storing information permanently. So this is a permanent way of storing the information. So in file handling, actually what we are going to learn is that so far we have written so many programs, so many Python programs we have written. In all those programs, we used to enter the input and then you will write a program to process the input and then you will write the statement to display the output. This is how we have written the program so far. Whatever the data that we give as an input and whatever the data that we see as an output on the screen, is it stored anywhere? Or can you able to retrieve whatever the input that you entered or whatever the output that you see? Is it possible to retrieve once again? No, not possible. Why? Because whatever the input that you are giving, you are creating a temporary memory. That is, if you are creating a variable, the variable holds that information only for that execution period. After that, whatever the data that you give, that will be lost. Right? Okay, so I'm writing a program whether to put the numbers in ascending order or descending order, or I'm writing n number of functions to calculate something, whatever it may be. In all those programs that we have written so far, we used to give the input in the monitor, that is in your Python shell. After executing, it will ask you to enter the value. You will enter the numbers or strings or whatever the data that is required by the function, and then the program will process that information, and then the processed information is displayed in the monitor. This is how we have written our programs so far. In file handling or after file handling, what we are going to understand is that we are going to write a program which going to take information from the file which is present in your computer. There are n number of files. These are all number of file types, that is your document file, your PDF file, your movie file. All these are files. Okay, so files are nothing but it is a permanent way of storing the information. I am going to store the information permanently in my computer, okay, in some particular format. Okay, so and then I will be giving a name to it. So after this file handling, I am going to write a program which can read information from the file which is present in your computer. And I will be able to I will be able to create my own file. That is the file which can be permanently present in the computer even after the program is over. That is, even after you close the program, even after shutdowning the computer, and when you reopen, that is, you are going to create a file permanently. So in this chapter, we are going to deal with how to create, how to read the information from the file which is present in your computer, and how to create the file through Python program. Through Python program, I am going to do that. So this is what we are going to learn in this particular chapter, right? Okay, so file, it's nothing but I am going to file, it's nothing but a permanent storage, or the information which is stored permanently in the computer, right? Okay, so in the computer I am going to write a Python program to read the information from that particular file, or I am going to write a Python program where I am going to create a new file, or I am going to modify the file, right? Okay, so that is what we are going to learn in this particular chapter, which is very important. Please listen very carefully, and if you have any doubts, yes, always you ping me, right? I hope you got some idea about what you mean by file handling, what you're going to learn in file handling. Now let us understand what you mean by data files. The data files are the files that stores data pertaining to a specific application. Okay, so the name implies it's nothing but it is a data, okay, which stores the information. The data files can be stored in two ways. Okay, there are two different types of data files. One is text file, the another one is binary file. What do you mean by text file? The text file stores information in ASCII or Unicode characters. Each line of text is terminated with a special character known as EOL. Every single line of text which is terminated with EOL character, right? And then internal translation takes place when EOL is read or written. In the file, when there is EOL, when there is a character EOL, so while it is displaying, it will understand that as /n or carriage return or form field, whatever. Okay, this text file handling, it is slower compared to binary file. So what do you mean by binary file? It contains information in the same format in which it is held in memory. That is, there is no extra character added while it stores the information. This binary file, you cannot read the binary file format. That is, if the file is in binary format, you will not be able to read it. However, the text file or the one which you can read it comfortably, that is in an English like language without any translation, it will be there. You will be able to create your own text file. In Python, while we are dealing with the file handling, you have to specify what type of file that you are going to deal with. You have to specify that. So while specifying, you need to know whether it is a text file or a binary file. Okay. So to understand that, you have to understand understand the difference between the text file and then the binary file. Also, while you deal with the file, you have to specify whether it is a text file or a binary file. So in a text file, the information, it will be stored in a ASCII or Unicode characters. However, here also the binary file also stores the information in the same way. There is no extra character. There is no delimiter for line. However, in text file, each line is terminated with EOL character, whereas there is no delimiter for a binary file. Okay, so and then internal translation takes place, whereas no translation takes place while reading or writing, because if you open a file, if it needs to be in a human readable format, means so the internal translation should be there, only then you will be able to read it, otherwise you will not be able to read it. Okay, such internal translations will not happen in a binary file, so because of that reason it is faster. Okay, so that is, there is no extra information. Whatever the information that you give, only that will be displayed there. Okay, so it will not contain any other information. So for example, if it is a new line character, if it is a EOL character, when you open the file, it will be interpreted as a new line character. Only then whatever the sentence that you wanted to read, it will come to the next line. you will be able to see a clear format. If it is not there, you will not be able to read the file properly. So no such translation in a binary file. However, such translations and then delimiters are available in a text file. So in our file handling session, we are going to deal only with the text file, but you are expected to learn what are all the different ways of storing the information, text file and a binary file.